Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 INFINITI QX60. This one is white. Underneath there's a 3.5 V6 with 295 horsepower and 270 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch wheels, 3.5 badging on the side, a graphite leather interior, sunroof, rear climate controls, third row seating, INFINITI QX60 badging, power liftgate, a clean set of floor mats, fold down third row seats, keyless entry, power windows, memory seats, power seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for the radio and media display, automatic transmission, different driving functions, heated seats. This QX60 has 68,545 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2017 INFINITI QX60, visit us at feldmannimports.com.